Today I'm going to show you how to make these super simple, delicious sourdough cheese crackers. For this recipe, you're going to need 3/4 cup of sourdough starter, 1/4 cup of melted butter. Just going to mix that through. Add then 3/4 cups of cheese of your choice. I like a stronger kind of cheese. And then another 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And just give that a good mix with like a fork or a dough whisk if you have. Once it's pretty well mixed, add 1/2 cup of flour. Try mix it a bit more with your fork. Once you can't really mix it anymore with a fork, you're going to use your hands. Now, I oil my hands because that makes it a lot easier. And then just combine it all together. And once it forms a nice hard ball, keep it covered and let it ferment for about another 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours, just so that it becomes more of sourdough. You can't skip this step if you want to make these crackers a lot quicker. Place your dough in a bowl and cover it with cling wrap or with a towel after it's been covered for about 6 hours, just to let it really ferment and sour. Place it in the fridge for about half an hour. This makes it so much easier when you're wanting to flatten it out. With a rolling pin, just flatten it out into the desired shape. I don't do a rectangle as that's the easiest way to cut it, and you want to do it till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Now this is actually from my kids' Play-Doh set. It is clean, but it makes the cutest edges. It's like a serrated ravioli knife, they call them. But you use one of these and to make really cute edges, or you can just use a knife, it doesn't matter, and cut them into the desired thickness and shape that you want. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to bake these for about 25 minutes, and you flip them halfway through. When it's done cooking, I leave the oven open just to crack for about 10 minutes, so that way it keeps drying, but it doesn't keep actually cooking. After that, just place them on a rack, let them cool a bit, and then crack them open. Once you separate them into the pieces that you like, just pour them in a jar. Once they're completely dry, put the lid on and store them in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Eat and enjoy. They last several weeks just fine in a container. Make sure to subscribe for more sourdough recipes. See you guys again soon.